Tell me something about yourself.
I am Bernadette P. Sinokbit, graduated in University of Eastern Philippines with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I've been experienced many work that improved my skills as an IT graduate. Honestly, during my grade school, I already doing computer works and get a higher grade in computer subject. And I also won a computer contest during my senior grades. When I graduated college, I worked to a different computer shop and company, which job is to create programs, summarize all the data, and checking all the emails of the company.
What is your age among the applicants?
My age among other applicants are my skills relevant for this position, my past experiences, my competence, my willingness and hard work to work under pressure and to finish all the tasks on time.
Why should we hire you?
Because I possess all the qualifications, skills, characters, and competence that you're looking for. I am confident enough that I am the best candidate for this job. I foster the skills which is applicable for this position.
How can you fill the gap between the reality and expectation scenarios?
I can fill the gap between the reality and expectation scenarios if ever you choose me by doing and showing what I've got and prove to you that you didn't get the wrong employee for this job.
Which is more important in a job, superior qualification or character?
The more important for a job is a character because superior qualification only tells one's skills and past experiences, but character fosters everything that's more important for a job. It consists everything that skills, qualification, and experiences that she or he will going to take in the future. Character also means having a good heart and a commitment for a job that even don't have enough experiences but willing to show that he or she can do what others can do. That's all. Thank you.